On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments not showing in less than 1 minute. So the first way you have to do is just open Play Store on your phone and then go to the search bar and search for Instagram. And after that, click here on update. And after you update it, now this is the first step. Now the second way you have to do is go to the settings, go to apps, right here on this page. You will find all the applications that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it. Now click here on force stop and click on storage. Click here on clear cache and clear data. And now this is the second way. And yeah, the last way you have to do is very simple. Just click here on uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.